how to cultivate Jamaican guava in the home yard to get fruitful fast for beginners. Jamaican guava is known by the scientific name Syzygium malachis, which is a type of guava which has the characteristic pink skin when it is immature and turns black if it gets older. The flesh is thicker than most water guava and the fruit texture is smoother. Jamaican guava plants from vegetative results can bear fruit when they are 9 to 13 months old, and from generative results can bear fruit when they are 2 to 3 years old. Jamaican guava is indeed a local fruit, but its advantages make it expensive on the market. Middle-sized guava tree. This fruit plant is able to grow up to about 15 meters with a trunk diameter between 20 to 45 inches, low branching and dense head to thick, giving a heavy shade. The leaves are single-faced opposite, with stiff and thick-shaped leaf strands. Oval leaf shape 15 to 38 inches long and 7 to 20 centimeters wide, with short stalks measuring 1 to 1.5 inches. Green leaf color and reddish leaf stems when young. Here's how to cultivate Jamaican guava in the home yard to get fruitful quickly for the full beginner. 1. Jamaica guava growing terms. Ball guava plants can grow well in the plains to an altitude of about 1200 meters above sea level, with temperatures around 18 to 28 degrees Celsius, rainfall of around 500 to 3000 millimeters per year, light intensity of around 40 to 80% and air humidity around 50 to 80%. Good soil for growing guava plants is fertile, loose soil and contains lots of organic matter with a phase of around 5.5 to 7.5. A good type of soil for planting guava is iseptisol, although the type of altisol and oxisol, podsolic mercuic, is also good for planting but must be fertilized and calcified first. 2. Preparation of Jamaican guava seeds. Multiplication of Jamaican guava seeds can be done in a vegetative and generative way, but in order to get a fast fruiting plant it is recommended to choose vegetative results. But if you don't want to be complicated, the seeds can be obtained by buying them at the plant shop, choosing seeds that are of high quality and healthy, free from pests, fresh leaves and not withered, sturdy stems not dry and small. 3. Preparation of Jamaica guava planting land. The land that will be used to plant Jamaican guava is cleaned first from weeds or other disturbing plants, then loosened after that. Make a planting hole measuring 50 times 50 times 50 centimeters. Then the excavated soil is mixed with compost / fermented manure and chaff to cover the planting hole when the seeds are ready to be planted. Leave the planting hole for 2 to 3 days so that the sun is exposed to kill bacteria and also eliminate toxins in the soil. 4. Jamaica guava planting. If everything is ready, immediately do the planting. Carefully remove the seed polybag so as not to damage the roots and planting media. Then plant the guava seeds in the planting hole and back up with the planting media that has been prepared beforehand, and then solidify and do the watering as needed. In order for plants not to collapse easily, give a bamboo meter as high as 1.5 meters. 5. Treatment of Jamaican guava plants. In order for the nutrients needed by Jamaican guava plants to be fulfilled, then fertilize them using liquid organic fertilizer, manure or compost or NPK fertilizer every month. Jamaican guava plants' vegetative results can bear fruit around the age of 9 to 13 months faster than generative results. To accelerate the growth of flowers and fruit, the guava plants need to be given fruit-stimulating hormones at intervals of 7 to 10 days. Other treatments that also need to be done, namely weeding in weeds around the plants. Do also watering 1 to 2 times, if the rainy season is enough to do 1 time according to the humidity of the planting medium. 6. Harvesting Jamaican guava. Jamaican guava plants that come from seeds will begin to bear fruit at the age of 4 to 5 years. Plants that come from grafting will begin to bear fruit at the age of 3 to 4 years, and plants that come from grafts will begin to bear fruit at the age of 1 to 2 years. Fruit that can be harvested when it reaches its maximum size is usually fruit that is 80 days old after flowering, has a uniform red color, has red or white stripes, depending on the species, and the fruit is slightly soft and slightly fragrant. That is how we discussed the ways of cultivating Jamaican guava in the home garden in order to be fast for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later, and thank you for visiting our channel.